Hey, what's up guys? This video I'm gonna unboxing and open up the Mamypoko tap size diaper. You can see the size is an M. Okay, so of 6 to 11 kilogram, and inside have 54 pieces. M size Mamypoko diaper is called Mamypoko Extra Drive. Okay, it's called new extra secure. Okay, before that we run around the packaging first. It show is for long hour quality sleep, and this is for extra 20% absorbent power up to 12 hours. The look very promising. Mamypoko, they always say this was the Japan quality. So run around first, walk around the information. So this was their their icon, Poko-chan. So the manufacturer in Malaysia, DSG Malaysia, Telur Palima Garang, distributor Unicharm Corporation, PJ. Singapore is imported by Universal Integrated Corporation. Philippines, import by Unicharm Philippines. This Vietnam, okay, Vietnam importer, and also this is a Myanmar importer. Okay, mostly Southeast Asia. In Malaysia, export to Southeast Asia area. So this was sorry, they already cover. So this is you can collect the point. Means some type of program, Pocket-chan program, learn more. Okay, only available in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and Thailand. Then Vietnam no have, Myanmar no have, Philippines no have. Okay, it look a bit unfair. So just download the app. You can download the apps here if you want. Okay, this is not advertising what lah. We just unpacking. Okay. So there has explanation. Keep bottom right. Okay, is how their technology, the Mamypoko technology for this diaper. Okay, you see, can absorb so much. Okay, absorb so much. And okay, compared to previous Mamypoko Extra Drive. Okay, so the result here is they compare with the previous product. Okay, beside that they have other information as well. I show you before I unpack it. So be patient. M size. Okay, they indicate the weight for your baby and what a size suitable for your baby, and this is how to wear it. Okay, that's as usual, and how to dispose, and also the instruction and the material. Okay. Now is the year of October 2021. So normally the production date, this was made in Malaysia, printed on side of a packaging. So far I cannot find any production date yet. Yes, normally they will printed the production date over here. Okay, this was the latest one. So I'm going to unpack this. Unpacking this. What happened? How to unpack? Normally I open from here. Okay, and take one of this out. This M size, the tip. M size tip. Okay, there's my ruler. Okay, so this was the diaper. You can see a design, very nice design. Oh, have a design. So this was inside the color, it's a green color. The tape. So let's see the material inside. So what you can see here, just a material. You cannot see it right because in all inside, just let you have a look. The size. This was the M size. Let's get the tape. Measure if I open it like usual is maximum. Okay, hopefully I just it's about 30 cm. Okay, 1 feet, 1 feet. See, 1 feet. Okay, it's about 1 feet. So the width is about they indicate M, M. So the width is like about 13, okay. So 13. How about the size over here? About 20. Okay. So that's all for this video about unboxing the Mamypoko M size tape type Mamypoko extra drive. If you like this video, please give us a like and please subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching and goodbye.